The Gateway Project is committed to preserving the character of the Henshaw House and the surrounding grounds while providing for its current function as a premier science and nature education facility. We believe that a personal connection to nature is an essential part of life for all people. And these planned renovations, these updates, will allow us to meet the needs of all of our visitors and to better fulfill our mission to ignite lifelong curiosity, understanding, and respect for nature through education.
As I call it, we as councilmen, we're only temporary holders of the office, but I can assure you there's a great commitment on behalf of the city staff, to make sure that everything is done to make sure that this Nature Discovery Center, which is an integral part, I call it the pulse of Bellaire, remain and be fruitful and be one of the best things that Bellaire has to offer for its residents. So I want to just make you that pledge right now.
Okay, Roman and I are going to pull out these bricks as our groundbreaking. You all are welcome to stay if you want to help us sling some bricks around and do that. You are also welcome to go on a short nature walk led by a staff member, Mary Ann, from the front porch. It will leave in about 15 minutes. She'll meet you there.
Called a grub. Remember I told you that longhorn beetle? When they're babies, they look like this, okay? They don't have teeth enough to bite. You can feel that it's a snake and not a worm, and you just touch it if you want to, only if you want to, okay? And he is a nice little toad. He's called a bell.